Hi everyone, welcome back to Quiz Changala. Can you guess name 120 animals within just 3 seconds? From easy to impossible, give it your best shot. Before starting, please subscribe to the Taylor RSV Quiz channel for more exciting quizzes. You got this, it's the easy level. Let's get started. It's a bat. Duck. A goose. Let's go. A cat. Ferret. Do you recognize this animal? It's a frog. Sea urchin. On to the next one. Seal. A salamander. A sheep. A turkey. Flamingo. Next. A rooster. Cow. You've got this. It's a dog. It's a dolphin. It's a gorilla. Great white shark. Guinea pig. Let's see if you can crack this one. It's a hamster. A mouse. Next animal. Pig. A rabbit. Rat. A rattlesnake. Hedgehog. Horse. Jellyfish. Turtle. Walrus. Here we go for the medium level. It's an alligator. You got it. A cheetah. Penguin. Platypus. Array. Rhinoceros. What is this? Leopard. Lion. Blue whale. A chameleon. Chimpanzee. Crocodile. Next. Hedgehog. Emu. Fox. Next animal. Bear. A llama. Do you recognize this animal? It's a lobster. Giraffe. Iguana. Guess the animal. It's a kangaroo. Killer whale. Koala. Any idea? It's an elephant. Meerkat. What is it? It's an ostrich. Hippopotamus. Peacock. Guess the animal. It's a tiger. Wildebeest. This is the hard level. Time to shine. A dachs. Squirrel. It's a tarantula. On to the next one. It's a weasel. Hi. Baboon. What is it? It's a hyena. Beaver. Chinchilla. Any ideas? It's a sloth. A cockatoo. Coyote. Can you guess? An orangutan. Deer. Flying squirrel. Hummingbird. Next animal. It's a bison. Lemur. Lynx. Any idea? It's not a Pokemon, it's an armadillo. Badger. Marmot. Opossum. Oricteropus. Komodo dragon. Otter. You got IT. Elk. Panther. Raccoon. A wolf. Here we go for the impossible level. Good luck. You got IT. Anteater. It's a jaguar. It's a bald eagle. Do you recognize this animal? The Tasmanian Davil. Wombat. Capybara. Cassowary. Dole. Guess the animal. Pika. Dugong. Can you guess? Fennec fox. Fossa. Kiwi. Impala. Any ideas? Lanternfish. Mecker. Dingo. It's an axolotl. Narwhal. On to the next one. It's an okapi. A pangolin. Quackari. Red panda. Squid. What is it? Beluga whale? Stork. Tapir. It's a xerus. Next animal. Yak. Zebu. How many animal can you guess? Comment down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch the next interesting videos. Bye-bye. See you soon.